When you have the courage to make the choices you want, you take back control in your life.
Her lived experience became her message. Promises to further cement her place among the world's powerful voices in resilience and leadership.
You don't need anybody to believe you because you already have your own truth. Never be afraid and ashamed to share your story. Wear it like a badge of resilience to say, you know what, I was there, but I'm here now. I decided when I was 21, because I was pregnant as a single mum, to turn my life around.
The points that she brought across to our crowd at SKU were just incredible.
Wow. Was that too long? Wow, it was wow. So it's amazing.
Well, she's an amazing lady.
She spoke with so much poise, and you can tell she never once let it get her down.
I am voted top 10 female speakers in the world and number 9 in suicide prevention globally. So that has been extremely heartwarming, but it was really challenging for the past 10 years to come out and share my story and then give audiences tools and skills of how that they can be inspired.
Fighting for temperature, bouncing for fun.
Speaking, many girls had tears in their eyes, so I would say that she's a really motivating and strong woman.
So much investment, so much time, so much heartache, so much tears. But here I am today, you know, and if there's something that I can leave behind when I die, I know that I've left behind a legacy. But whatever it is that you want to do and you want to be and how you want to live, that real confidence that already exists in you, because it's already within you, because you are the one.